so heavy.
Oh. Here you go. Go ahead and rip it, boo-boos.
Come on, Bubba.
What?
Bub wanted a little help. There you go, Bub. Here, Daddy, get it. Here you go, boo-boo. Rip. Put your fingers in there. Rip it. Rip it open.
I know what this is.
What is that?
It's a Wii
Oh my God.
A Wii U.
How do you think you got that? Are you sure?
Are you sure you got a Wii U, Bub? Shit, I mean...
U. Yeah? I'm sure because I got... freaking Mario... Super Mario 3D Land.
You might want to look in the box.
Daddy?
Mom got you books, Bub.
Daddy? Books about what?
They're just books for you to learn to read with. Awesome, right?
Yeah, the big ones. I never had a big one before, like these.
You got it? Oh, what's that?
What is this? What is
I don't
this?
know, just big books. Thought you'd like them. Way better than a Wii U, right?
No. Better than
Well,
but I do like them.
You do like it though?
how sweet. Well, Bub,
She always gets
guess what?
what?
I did get you a Wii U.
Where?
I was just messing with you.
Where is it?
I'll get it.